Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought maybe I can take you guys to go to Stop and Shop with me. I'm thinking about making some chicken Alfredo for dinner, so I wanted to go ahead and vlog today, and yeah, come with me. We'll see what they have at Stop and Shop today. All right. Alright you guys, so I just got done shopping for all the ingredients that I need. I'm not gonna lie, it was really awkward filming inside the store. Everyone kept looking at me, so I didn't film that much. But yeah, I'm in the car now, so now I'm gonna go home, and once I get home I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I just got back home and I wanted to show you guys what I got from Stop and Shop. Okay, so we have 3 bags. Okay, so you know how I told you guys I'm thinking about making some chicken Alfredo, right? So I got some, what is this? Thin sliced chicken breast. I'm gonna use that. I got 2 packs of it. Then I got 2 of this heavy whipping cream. I got a thing of Parmesan cheese. And then some plain panko breadcrumbs. And then I couldn't resist, I found these cute little mangoes. I love mangoes so much, so I got 3 of them. They're $1 each at Stop and Shop, so if you love these types of mangoes, go get some. I'm just gonna put this in the basket. And then I also got a couple of other things that I didn't go for. So I'm running low on some parsley, and I also got some red crushed pepper. And I also got this organic tomato paste. I'm not gonna be using this on the Alfredo. This is just for other things. And then I got some organic bananas because we're running low on that. And then I also got a bag of these cuties because my kids love them. They eat them like candy, so I always have to keep them stocked in the house. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing, and then I'll see you guys soon. All right guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, so since the chicken breasts are a lot thicker than I would like them, I'm gonna put them on the saran wrap and then cover it again with more saran wrap on top. Like this. And then I'm gonna get one of these rolling pins that I have over here. Hopefully the lighting's okay. I'm just gonna flatten it out, just so that everything can cook evenly. Okay, so now that it's flattened, see, it becomes much longer. Hopefully you guys can see that well. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it. I have a plate here that I'm gonna be putting them on. My hand. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning the chicken. So I'm just gonna add some salt. Okay, and then some garlic powder. Okay, and some ground pepper, red pepper, some kick, and I also have some turmeric. So I can get it open. Okay. Okay, and lastly I have this lemon pepper. Just gonna put a little bit on top. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and I'm also gonna add some parsley flakes. Just to the top of it. Okay. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna get the Alfredo sauce started. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of avocado oil. This is the one that I use, it's from BJ's. And I'm gonna add some minced garlic. back boiling for the pasta. Here's what the Alfredo sauce is looking like. And then the chicken, and I'm gonna be doing penne today. Just some regular penne. Abby, you wanna say hi to my friends? School, say hi. How was school today? Good? Had fun? Did you eat all your lunch? No, why? Okay. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. So the chicken is pretty much done. Okay, and look at the mess I made. The Alfredo sauce boiled over. So this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna let it simmer a little longer. And then I also added pasta. I'm just waiting for that to boil. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Alright guys, so the pasta is done, so I'm going to go ahead and drain it. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I did add the Parmesan cheese. For some reason, I'm not sure why, but it did not show on camera. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that there is Parmesan in the sauce, okay? Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and slice the chicken. Eden, he's gonna go ahead and taste it and tell me how it came out. What do you think, Eden? Is it really good? What about the chicken? Abby, mommy's gonna put you some, okay? Is it really good? Yeah, you love it? Abby, what do you think?
Good.
You love it?
Uh-huh.
Is it your favorite? You like it, Aiden? Alright guys, so the reason why I'm not gonna be trying the food is because I don't eat chicken. Yeah, I haven't eaten chicken in over 11, 12 years.
Mommy, you don't have to eat the chicken.
I know, I'm gonna try the pasta, but I'm not gonna eat the chicken. I don't like chicken.
Just try it.
No, I don't like it.
Just one little bite. Why? Doesn't matter if you ate what ate was in your tummy.
I know, but I don't like chicken. It makes me feel nauseous.
It's still good.
Yeah, not for me though. I know you guys like it, but I don't like it. Yeah guys, so I stopped eating chicken when I got pregnant with Aiden. It just grossed me out. I don't know, I just can't do it. So I'm just gonna be having some pasta. Hey you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on how I make chicken Alfredo. So yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.